Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Vanish mode on Instagram is a feature that allows your message to disappear after they been seen. Adding a layer of a privacy to your conversation, disabling Vanish mode is a straightforward process, ensuring that your message remains visible and not prone to disappearing. So what if you just accidentally enable or turn on the Vanish mode on your Instagram and now you want to disable it? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our Instagram. Now you can go to your DMs. You can choose on the conversation that you want to delete, turn off the Vanish mode. So you can know if the conversation is on the Vanish mode. There's an like this disappearing message. So to turn this off, it's very simple. You can just swipe up your screen like this. So now you can see there is a notification that tell you that you've turned off the disappearing message or Vanish mode. Or you can do like this, tap on your profile. There is an option disappearing message and you can choose on off. So now you have turned off the Vanish mode. It's very simple, right? So you don't need to worry if you just accidentally turn on the Vanish mode. You can just turn this off like this. It's very simple. So that is how to turn off, how to disable Vanish mode on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!